Welcome everyone to our channel today. In this video, we will talk about the Philips SmartSleep Wake Up Light. The Philips SmartSleep Wake Up Light, model HF3520, is not just another alarm clock. It's a revolutionary tool designed to enhance your morning routine and overall well-being. Imagine waking up gently to the warm glow of a simulated sunrise, gradually filling your room with soft, colored light that mimics the natural progression of dawn. This colored sunrise and sunset simulation feature prepares your body for sleep and wakefulness in a way that traditional alarms simply can't match. But that's not all. This innovative device also offers 5 natural sounds, allowing you to wake up to the calming sounds of nature or your favorite tunes, setting a tranquil tone for the day ahead. For those who prefer familiarity, the FM radio adds an extra touch of personalization, letting you listen to your favorite stations as you start your day. Additionally, this wake-up light doubles as a reading lamp, providing adjustable brightness settings perfect for winding down at night or enjoying a good book before bed. And when you need just a few more minutes of sleep, the convenient tap snooze feature ensures you can catch those precious moments without hassle. With its thoughtful design and user-friendly features, the Philips SmartSleep Wake Up Light is an essential addition to any bedroom. It transforms waking up from a jarring experience into an enjoyable ritual, one that promotes better sleep patterns and brighter mornings. Don't settle for ordinary. Elevate your daily routine with this remarkable device today. If you like this, buy this product. Get link in description. I will bring you a new video again. Everyone stay well and stay healthy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart home tech reviews on NH Tech Picks.